Hi, we are still on my channel and Andrea is still with us. So since she came on this one day and she had some time to give for me and she was really kind, she actually said, why don't I do this for you? And she was super kind. And hence, after that skincare thing, we are going to be speaking to her about what she does with her makeup and what she has in her makeup bag.
All right then. First of all, I have to say that for a lot of my films, I don't actually use a lot of makeup because my directors want to keep it real and they seem to like the natural, what is it called?
The tone.
The tone and shine of the skin. So in a lot of my films, in most of my films in fact, I will not be wearing makeup. Or if I am, it'll just be a little concealer under the eyes. So I think my whole ideology and philosophy about makeup is less is more, and that's generally what I do when I'm on my own. So let's start with the basics. I recently discovered this lovely
Lip to cheek, RMS Beauty.
RMS Beauty. This is a winner. This is a winner. And this is another thing that I don't go anywhere without. Burt's Bees. So what I do is I just, moisturize and then dab a little of RMS.
Oh, nice. What is this? Lip to cheek, I think this is.
And then I dab a little more and I just do that.
Smart, my dear.
And then a little more. Just on
that is actually nailing the monochromatic look with just one product. A lot of people used to do that. Yes.
And I'm good to go. And everybody, if sometimes when I step out like this, no kajal, no nothing. They're like, hey, you're wearing makeup. I'm like, no, I'm not. But I'm really not. All I'm doing is using this little lip tint. But can you see the difference?
Yes.
Massive.
Yes.
So you're like making 3 areas of your face pop, and it's so easy and it's so simple.
This is something that you can actually do with a really lovely, good quality lipstick, actually.
Yeah,
and she's
exactly.
just demonstrated that. RMS Beauty is a very lovely organic beauty brand, and their Living Luminizer is something that I did suggest in the Sephora purchases thing. So I'll probably add this as well the description box.
So my shade is Sacred, but you can find your own shade.
Lovely. What's next?
What's next is okay, it's just a cute little bag with a green boot on it.
Very Christmassy.
Anyway, there are some things in here that Chinmayi made me buy.
Yes, I'll take
responsibility. Not the hourglass ones. The hourglass ones I got in Australia. Anyway, this is a lovely serum that I discovered.
It's definitely going to be on the ad of Hourglass sometime soon.
So you just do I have to do it?
No, that's fine.
So I smear a bit of
what is this?
serum.
Is it the primer?
Yeah,
primer.
It's a serum primer thing. Number 28 primer serum it says. And then I have my Perfection Lumiere Velvet Chanel. So I just take a bit of it and I just dab it under my eyes because if I conceal my under eyes perfectly, I look like I'm wearing makeup already. I look instant happens. So I just put a little bit of that.
Show me that. Let me see.
This is a beautiful, beautiful base. What I really love about it is you don't need to powder it. So you just take a little pebble size.
Oh, this is tinted.
Yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful thing. I don't know if it's your shade, but let me put it on my face and show you. Oh, do I have a sponge?
Oh, this is nice.
It's kind of dirty. See, so like here, and just around the under eyes and
yes, I see what you mean.
that's it.
Actually, your complexion is very even toned, which is why you don't need.
That's why most of my DOPs don't like me wearing makeup.
You don't need makeup.
They say that my skin tone reflects very well off the camera or something. So anyway,
she has naturally luminous skin.
Ah, correct. That's the thing. Okay.
Oh well.
Anyway, so ta-da! And then you curl your lashes because that's very important. Can you like lend me your phone so I can selfie it and
Sure.
see what I'm doing? You know what
Yes.
I mean?
I'll hold the
This
mirror
is
for you.
my makeup in the car business. Thank you. So, yeah.
Makeup in the car business. Okay.
If you can see the difference between this lash and this lash, right? Massive difference. Very important. Chins, you
The
made me-
eyelash color.
Yeah, the eyelash color.
And yeah, I think I kind of made her buy this.
She kind of made me buy this. And then my most favorite mascara. They're real. It says Benefit. Love it. I'm not going to use it right now, but this mascara, love. And then orgasm.
NARS.
Yeah. So, like I said, less is more, and when you just put a bit of primer and you dab under eyes, and just this on the cheekbone area. I'm not doing it now, but
Yeah.
I'm showing you where to do it, and then just a little on the
Brow bone, clearly.
brow bone, and I'm done. And if I want to glam it up, I put a little gloss and maybe just a bit of. I do a half under eye brown liner. I don't do anything on my upper lids because I can't draw it properly, so I just don't do it. And that's it. I'm done. Okay. And that's what I normally do when I'm just going out to, you know.
What's your kajal? Cool. Whatever.
So I have a problem with kajal that it does not stay for me. So I generally avoid it unless I'm wearing a heavy Indian outfit, and that's the only time you would ever find me wearing kohl. I have this one Pakistani brand that someone gave me. Yeah, I don't know what it's called, but
Okay.
if I find it, I'll send you a snapshot.
Please do.
But mostly the makeup artists use whatever they use. Oh, and I also have a nice little Marc Jacobs one, which is kind of cool and handy.
Yes, I think it's called.
I don't remember. But it's a tiny one. It's really nice. So yeah, this is my go-to makeup.
So that's that.
Quick, fatafat makeup.
And in the meanwhile, our puppies are yelling at each other. So, since our puppies are not able to behave well with each other, one of them shall be on my lap. And looks like Auntie might be a proud owner of, or might become a puppy parent pretty soon, right?
Yes.
And looks like one of our puppies will go to Andy. So, it will all be in the family. It will all be in the family. So, that's the scene. And we had this really small chitty chat and stuff like that. Hopefully, we'll be doing a lot more work together, but we also hang out together and we buy pound
And
cake
drink
from
coffee together.
Yes, she is a major coffee praise. She also hangs out at the Mailapur Kapalishwarar Kovil a lot.
Don't tell people that. They'll all like know where to find me.
ஆமா இல்லனா கூட உனக்கு கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் போல நீ அப்பப்ப நீயே வந்து கபாலீஸ்வரர் கோவிலுக்கு ப்ரிப்பேர் போற என்கிட்ட வேற சொல்றீங்க
அது கரெக்ட்
So this girl will be seen very often in the Mailapur Kapalishwarar Kovil. Especially she keeps feeding the cows a lot, by the way. So Indians should note that, okay? She feeds the cows. Bharat Mata ki jai. Bye.